Hey guys, on today's segment we'll make eggplant meatballs. Trim off the ends and quarter the eggplants. Use a brush or your fingers to coat the bottom of the baking sheet with olive oil or canola oil. Any type of neutral oil will work. Thinly slice one medium-sized onion. Place the eggplant in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. While the eggplants are cooking, I will saute the onions on low heat, stirring occasionally. Don't forget to stir the onions every 5 minutes or so, and in between you could have a cup of tea and check your phone. Once the onions are caramelized, you could remove it from the heat and let it cool. At this point, you should easily poke through the eggplants, and they're quite softened once you press down on them. You can remove the tip of the eggplant if it seems a little hard, and then continue chopping them into small little pieces. You can begin mixing the ingredients once the caramelized onions and eggplants have cooled down for at least 40 minutes. You can also prepare these a day in advance. Thoroughly mix both ingredients with your hands so they're well incorporated. Just think of giving the mixture a nice massage. Add the herbs and spices and mix until it's well incorporated. Add the breadcrumbs and repeat the process. Coat the bottom of a parchment-lined baking sheet. Take about 2 tablespoons of the meatball mixture and form it into a ball. Also grease your hands so the mixture doesn't stick to your fingers. Pop them into a 375-degree oven for about 35 minutes. And there you have it, easy, hearty, and filling. I like to have them with a yogurt, cucumber, and mint dip. Gives it another depth of flavor, and I don't have to overindulge myself with pasta. Thank you again for watching, and if you like what you just saw, don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!